Hi YouTube and fellow subscribers, this is Jay again with Falling Forward Financial. Again, I'm not a licensed, not licensed. I can't really tell you what to do, whether to invest or what to do with these companies. And again, I'm just stating an opinion. I come across a stock here and it took a major dip, as you can see today, on a stock that I've had for a little bit over 2 years. I believe this is pronounced IQiyi. Um, it's like the Netflix of China. And as you can see, it's been just kind of trading flat all day. And then it just kind of dropped off to $3. Anyway, I bought this one back in June 21 of 2018 for $40. It was back when all the Chinese stocks were really getting popular. And as you can see, unfortunately, I bought it right at the peak. Um, Part of me making this video tonight is just to see if I can see if anybody else out there has this stock. I was just kind of researching it to see why it dropped off. I've thought about um, buying some more to dollar cost average in, but it hasn't really went up, so I think I would be losing more money on it. But anyway, as you can see, the peak was back there in June 15 of 2018. For the last year, it really, I mean, the highs have been $26, $27. So maybe I'd probably have to buy quite a few shares to dollar cost average it to get my money back out of it. I've just been keeping it, and if I have to take a loss on it someday, I will, but you don't ever take a loss until you sell it. But anyway, part of making this video is to go back to my name while I name the channel Falling Forward Financial. Sometimes you don't win every time in the stock market, and this is a good example of that. So as you can see here in the last week, it's just been trading kind of flat for quite some time. 21s, 20s, $22, 23, and then in just the major drop off. But it hasn't really saw any steam. I guess back there it was 27, and then it kind of dropped off. So the information that I could find about that, if you don't know much about this company, IQiyi engages in the provision of internet video streaming services. It operates a smart television streaming service and an entertainment-based social media platform. IQiyi, again, it's a Chinese-based company, which everything going on over there I don't really like either. I've thought about just dumping it and seeing what happens. I mean, the ratings aren't all that great. When I bought it, it was just up and coming, and everybody was talking about it. I did even have JD at one time, and finally sold that one. But anyway, some information that I could find on this one is IQiyi shares fall amid stagnant subscriber momentum, which just kind of blows my mind. I think Alibaba might have a streaming service, but still, like I said, just kind of blows my mind where they were stagnant on subscribers. As I compare that to the United States with Netflix and Disney and some of the other streaming services, Hulu and so on, they've all been thriving this year. And IQiyi here is went down, so second quarter, IQiyi reported 104.8 million total subscribing members as of the end of September, compared with 104.9 million as of the end of June, and 105.8 million as the prior September. We thought that weak content available and COVID normalization would lead to a weak result for member additions. but did not expect growth. So again, that's just kind of, I don't know, just comparing it to the United States with the streaming service here just kind of doesn't make sense to me. So again, just to show when you buy something, and I bought it when it was kind of new, sometimes you don't always win. So we think the share price of IQiyi is anchored by the view that either Tencent or Alibaba will eventually look to consolidate the company, which could be a good thing. Couldn't be any worse. Well, I guess it could, but anyway, shares of IQiyi have risen 11% so far this year, and the S&P 500 plus 1.92% has gained 12%. And I think this KWeb is a Chinese internet ETF that I looked at one time. I did not purchase it, but shouldn't say, but I've been trying to stay away from some of the Chinese stocks. They were hot about 2 years ago when I bought this one, but everything going on, I've just heard too many speculations where the Chinese government can just come in and wipe them out. I've heard all kinds of things, so trying to stay away from the Alibabas, the Baidus, and that sort of thing. A lot of people like them, kind of hot stocks, but I tend to stay away from them. I do have this Billy. It's really shot up. I'm going to be making a video on that here later on. But here it also shows IQiyi announces proposed offering of convertible senior notes and proposed offering of American depository shares. So I think they're trying to raise money. That's the only other thing that I could find in regards to this. But anyway, just thought I would make a quick video on IQiyi. I didn't know ticker again is IQ. I didn't know if anybody else had this stock out there. If you do, leave it in the comments. Again, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. I can't tell you what to do, whether to buy or to sell this one. I'm just going to hold it for a while and kind of see what happens with it. Again, I'm a new channel. I have a bunch of links in the comments if you'd like to get some free stock, help support the channel. I'm going to be making more videos. I've made a couple here today, as you can see. Go ahead and check out the rest of my videos. I'm going to be doing some more here later this week. Try to do at least one or two a day for a while and kind of see how it goes. Again, I'm a new channel. Go ahead and hit that like button and highlight it. Put a comment if you choose, and go ahead and subscribe. I thank you for your time, and happy trading. Stay green and have a great day. Thank you.